So now I'm going to show you how you can actually move sub items. So if you want to move, for example, Twitter to another group, for example, all you would have to do is select the checkbox, and then you're going to get an item selected, move to pop-up box. So all you either can type in the actual parent item that you know you want to move this to, or you can scroll down and see the list of options. So of course, these are the group names, and then these are the parent items. So let's say I wanted to move this to maybe identifying target audience within Twitter. All I would have to do is click that. And as you can see, it's been moved from the social media launch to identified target audience right here.